Alright, in this video we're going to show how the analyze and organize feature of the Proposal Pack Wizard's AI Writer works. So we're just going to go create a new project, and we'll just go right into the AI Writer. And we're going to set up some instructions. So I'll just set up the company data instructions. Say we're going to be adding some instructions about our company and how we can copy and paste from, say, our website. Okay, so we're just going to go to our own website. And say you just have a company about us page, something like this. I'm just going to copy and paste the entire website. Just remove the header. All right, so I've pasted in an entire web page into the instructions file. So you can see it's like a little disorganized, got a lot of white space, it's got a lot of images. This is just a straight copy paste from a web page. That's way too long for an instructions file. It's got a lot of extraneous stuff in here, so we want to clean this up, without having to actually hand edit this entire file. Alright, so now that we've got that file created, all that stuff pasted in, I'm going to click the Analyze and Organize button. Now this is going to call the AI Writer, and it's just going to process this file and just clean it up for us. Okay, now it's finished analyzing and organizing the file. Now it's archived the original down here, so we can always revert back to it. So if you want to restore the original, just click this and it'll swap the original. Alright, so let's open up and see what it came up with. And we'll just side by side these. So you can see here was the original, and here is the organized version. So you can see it's basically dropped out images, consolidated everything, and created a nice structured layout. So that is how you can use the AI Writer's Analyze and Organize feature to clean up your instructions files. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and click subscribe to keep up on the latest proposal writing tips with Proposal Kit.